Man, look at this. Beautiful. Well, good morning, beautiful people. We are out here today on another sunny, beautiful day, and we are exploring some more manufactured mobile homes. You guys are in the right spot, so make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Yeah. So as we take you guys on a full tour on the outside and the inside of this home, make sure you guys drop your comments below. We want to know what you think about it. I will leave some pricing and information at the end of the video. Let's go inside. All right, you guys, this one here is going to blow your socks off. This is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful home. This is probably one of the, I can't say nicest, but this is nice. It is one of the nicest ones we've toured in a very long time. All right, let's check this one out. Let me come over here in the corner and give them a good look at the entire home here. Look at that front door. As soon as you walk in, like, this feels like a home. Like, I feel so nice in here. This is like cozy, comfortable.
But it's still open. It's still,
yeah.
It's spacious, you know? It's not.
Look at this kitchen.
It's very pretty. A lot of cabinets. A lot of cabinets. Yeah.
Nice farm sink, stainless steel appliances, tons of cabinets and drawers. Are they soft close? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Nice backsplash. This goes all the way up here too.
Beautiful.
Oh, that fancy burner one. It looks really nice.
I like this backsplash.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
That's real too.
Real backsplash, y'all.
Yeah, not the stickers.
What is that in the wall there? Is that a microwave or?
Yeah.
Man, look at the big drawers under there. Nice. Check out those drawers. Open those up. I love that. Mm-hmm. Wow. Ooh. That's a huge drawer.
Pots and pans.
What about that one? Same thing?
Yeah.
Just as deep? Wow.
Yeah. 2 deep drawers.
These are deep cabinets, y'all. Soft close on everything. This home is super nice.
You got outlets on the island here.
Look at this island. Yep, outlets on the island. Mm-hmm. There's one there. You got one on that side too, you said?
Yeah.
I like these drawers on the island. It's a big island. There's an outlet there.
Yeah. All the place to put your snacks at.
Nice lighting up there.
Yeah, you got your trim, nice crown moldings, take textured, iron foot for sure.
Wow. All right, let me get this utility room real fast, and then we're gonna move on to the bedrooms. Here is your utility room, washer and dryer hookup, back door, water heater. I like these cabinets. Again, soft closed. Did you see these cabinets back here, babe?
Yeah.
These are nice for utility room.
Oh, they did good in this home. Very good.
Yes. All right, let's check out down here. Hi, Dan. First bedroom has carpet. Good size room. Standard size closet.
Oh, don't that bring back memories?
All right, let's shoot right across. We got another bedroom straight across.
Mm-hmm. Floor's nice too.
All right. And then we have this bathroom back here. Nice shower tub combo. Toilet, vanity. All right, let's shoot over to the master, y'all. That's what everybody's waiting on. Check this master bedroom out. Beautiful master bedroom. I like the carpet. What do y'all think about carpet? Me personally, I love carpet on my feet. My feet always hurt. But a lot of homes don't have carpet anymore. 2 nice sized windows. This is really nice. Shoot in to show you guys this bathroom. Or not the bathroom, the closet first. Nice walk-in closet back here. One more look at that closet. Just so you get an idea how big it is. It's a pretty big closet. All right, and now the bathroom. The moment you've all been waiting on. Check out this bathroom. Lots of drawers. It's got these nice cabinets that are see-through. We've been seeing this a little bit more often now with these cabinets. These are really nice. I really like these. Double vanity. Big mirror. Nice window on top there. Double sinks. Look at that. Huge shower. It's a nice shower. Got a nice seat in there. And then over here you got your toilet. And you even got some built-in cabinetry with soft close. Very cool. I like how these are built in. You don't see that very often. All right. Well, we hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up. That really helps us out. So how much is this home? That's the question everybody is asking. We're going to give you guys the price right now. Remember, this is at the time of recording. This is your price of the home, $159,000, and that includes delivery, setup, skirting, AC, and steps. All right, so make sure you guys go check them out. I'm going to leave you guys a website here, and you guys go to that website. You'll get more information. You'll get contact information if you guys are interested in a home like this. All right, you guys have a good one. Make sure you guys check out our channel. We have a ton more of mobile home, manufactured home tours. Go check them out. We love y'all, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.